Hey Eric, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website, these call to actions are really good to have. That helps with your conversions. One thing that I would recommend here would be to have some more content on your homepage. The reason is because Google has crawlers that are crawling the internet 24/7, and so they are looking through all the website's content, looking for keywords embedded throughout. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority, as well as having some keywords embedded in that content. And here is an example of a keyword, Foundation Repair San Antonio. And when people search this on Google, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. But if we scroll down, this section here is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you want to be ranking in the top 3 because they get the majority of that 30 to 40%. And the way to outrank these other businesses is to have a Google business profile that has more citations than these businesses. And what a citation is it's your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And then you also want to have a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos as well. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And the rest of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this section down here. And 90% of people stay on this first page. And so you want to be on the first page as high up as possible. The higher you are, the more traffic that you'll be getting. And let's take a look at this #1 ranking website. So Baird Foundation Repair, they have some good call to actions as well. And it would be really easy to outdo them with the content. But let's take a look at the back end of both of these websites. I have Baird plugged in first, and this is Ahrefs. So we'll be looking at some Google data here. UR and DR are ratings, and they have 34 and 17. This is just ratings for the authority and the trustworthiness of their website. And what makes up these numbers here are the backlinks that they have. They have 3.65 thousand backlinks coming from 344 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another. So it's kind of like a shout out. Not all backlinks are created equal though, so it is very important to make sure that you're getting good quality backlinks. That way you can boost these numbers, and if you get spammy backlinks, it can harm these numbers here. And Baird Foundation has 2.4 thousand keywords on their website. And let's take a look at yours. So I have your website plugged in here. You have 17 and 92. And so one reason that these numbers are high, especially this one, is because you're built on a Google business site here, and so they are biased towards themselves. And that's coming from 8 backlinks, 3 referring domains, and then you have 7 keywords on your website. And so what you'd want to do is you'd want to make sure that you have more backlinks, high quality backlinks, and buyer intent keywords on your homepage. One way to get good quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You would just go into Baird's backlinks here, and then you would link those to your website as well, because if it's working for them, it would work for you as well. And let's take a look at some of their keywords. Foundation Repair San Antonio. 2.5 thousand people are searching for that every single month. Driveway repair 100, foundation repair 350, foundation repair 150. And so this list just keeps going. And so in order for you to be able to get some of this traffic yourself, you'd want to make sure your Google business profile is ranking, so add some citations there, and then make sure your website is ranking as well. And so have some more content added to your website, make sure to have buyer intent keywords on there, and then get some good quality backlinks. And so I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.